Hi, everybody. In this section, we're going to look at a timeline of some major events in the development of Western or European civilization. This is to provide you with a context for where the United States stands in world history. Thomas Jefferson just didn't come down from the mountaintop with the Declaration of Independence. The United States was established as a result of human experience going back for thousands of years. So I don't want you to get uptight and think you have to memorize all these events, but you should pay some special attention to the ancient Greeks, the ancient Romans, and the Roman Republic, and you should pay attention to the development of the monotheistic religions of European civilization: Islam, Judaism, and Christianity, not necessarily in that order. So take a look at this. There will be some quiz questions, but you can refer back to this timeline in order to answer those questions. So have fun. Thank you. Bye.